How's it going, guys? It's Root Junkie here, and today's video we're going to show you how to flash TWRP to the Huawei device. So you have to have TWRP specifically for your device, so I mean that's obviously always going to be very important, and it's very easy to get TWRP. I mean, you just come in here into a Google search and go ahead and do the search, and it's going to probably be the first link, which it is, and then go to devices, type in your device. So I have an Honor, and mine's the 6SX Berlin, and then you can download the image from here, right? It's super easy. I'll give you a link to TWRP obviously below, but pretty easy, right? Get TWRP downloaded for your specific device. This is the one I've got. Now I went ahead and here's my TWRP for my device. Berlin is my code name, and it's right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put our Huawei device into fastboot mode, and basically you gotta have an unlocked bootloader for this to work. So make sure that you go ahead and follow that process in the previous videos. So I'm gonna hold volume down on my phone and then plug it in. It's powered off right now, so volume down, plug it in. If you don't understand what I'm doing here, just watch the first video in this section and you'll see how to put it into fastboot mode. So I'm in fastboot mode, so let's open up, I'm gonna actually open up platform tools and open a command window from here. Sometimes it works better if you do it this way. And then we're going to type in some commands. So first we're going to make sure the device is connected correctly. So fastboot space devices. And there you go. You can see it's got fastboot. So it's communicating under fastboot. Everything's functioning correctly, drivers and whatnot. So for here we're going to go ahead and flash the file. Fastboot flash recovery. And then space, and then I like to just do this because it's easy. Just drag in the whole file, and it'll give you the full location and everything. So then from here we can hit enter, and if this functions right, it should go ahead and flash recovery to the device, and it did. And then the next thing I like to do, which is a little bit tricky sometimes, but I like to do it, is to try to do fastboot boot and then the recovery location. So we're going to try that really quick. Now, some devices this works and it'll just boot up TWRP for you, and other devices it doesn't. Just depends on the security of the device. So we're going to try it on this one. So fastboot boot. And basically what that's going to do is that should boot up TWRP on the device. But as you can see here, this command, even though I have an unlocked bootloader, is not functional. It's been removed. They don't allow it. So the only way to get into recovery from here is just to unplug or hold volume down, or power, I should say, and volume down to get out of fastboot. Well, actually, we can do fastboot reboot. Let's do that. Let's do fastboot reboot. And then what you want to do is go ahead and hold down your volume up and down while it's rebooting, and that will boot you directly into recovery. If your phone fully boots up, then you'll have to flash TWRP again because there'll be a refresh of stock recovery back to the phone. So I'm going to go ahead and do this and see if I can boot it up into TWRP. I'm holding down volume up and down, and I'm actually unplugging the cable as well. So hopefully this will get us right into TWRP recovery, and it did. So now I'm going to plug in my cable one more time. And on the screen, if you've ever seen TWRP before, I ask you if you want to modify things, and I say keep read only at this point. And the reason being is the main reason I'm showing you guys TWRP and wanting to show you this process is to show you the fact that when you have booted up TWRP recovery, you actually have a root shell at this point. So you can now type in ADB devices, and you can see that it says the number there and then recovery. So, but you can also do ADB shell, and you actually have a root shell. So it doesn't show you the little pound symbol, but, well, it does, but it's got all these numbers after it and the 6N and all that. So at this point you have a root shell, and you can run all your root commands from here. And you can like look at your whole file system, and I mean it's all here. It's all here. So I like to do this. I like to definitely do this stuff when I'm having issues or I want to do something. There we go. There's LS. So if I want to come in here and make an edit with root privileges, I can do it right here and not have to actually physically root the phone and change the system image by flashing Super SU, like you can see right here, or doing that kind of stuff to the phone physically. I can actually make all my edits right here in TWRP recovery and just do it from here and then reboot to the phone. And if you've done it correctly, you know, you basically can do any kind of modification you need to do right from TWRP recovery and never have to mess with the actual system image editing any more than what you edit through an ADB shell like I'm doing here. So it's pretty convenient. And then the last thing, if you want to go from here, you can actually very easily reboot the phone and flash stock recovery back so you're back to original state. So this is a trick that I like to use a lot, just because this is a root shell and that's all I need normally when I'm trying to make some edits or some kind of modification to the phone. So just for fun, we're going to go ahead and do exit. And then we're going to do ADB reboot space boot loader, hit enter. And that should reboot the device right back into that fastboot screen. So we're going to test that. Fastboot devices. And you can see it's there again. So at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to actually flash stock recovery back. So let's see if I can actually just scroll through here. And there we go. I need that one. And then we're just going to back out of it. So you can see it's fastboot flash recovery. And then what I'm going to do is come over here to our files. Firmware, images, new. Where's the recovery image? Right there is the image. And just drag that image in. And hit enter. And it's going to go ahead and flash recovery back. So now we've put our device back to official stock recovery. Pretty much that easily. So it's nice. It's a very nice way of doing it. You're not even hardly messing with the phone. Everything's done through a root shell right here from TWRP recovery. So I'll just do fastboot reboot one last time and we'll be back and booted up and good to go. So let's just see. There it is, reboot. So you can also scroll. I don't know if you saw that I'm scrolling my commands just by hitting the volume up and down on the keyboard. That's a nice trick if you put in commands constantly. You don't want to keep typing them in. Any commands that you've put in this shell currently or in this command window currently, you can scroll through and reissue. So there you go. That is going to wrap it up for me here on flashing TWRP to device, then restoring recovery, and showing you a ADB root shell while you're in TWRP recovery. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Hope you've learned a little something about your phones, and specifically Huawei. And we'll catch you in the next one. Root Junkie out.